Hey Soul, what's up? So, there's a problem with one of my VEX. It's not turning on. So, we haven't really posted in the past 2 days, which kind of stinks. But we wanted to do an update on that rock, and there's a little fire, and you guys got to see the magnifying glass. And if you did not see the magnifying glass, that was pretty cool. You can check it back. One day, Beck is going to be able to pop up like a watermark. You see what I'm talking about, YouTube? That'll be Beck. Beck's gonna be a picture that's a GIF, I guess, or something, right? Think about imagination. And it'll be like a chapter. And here it is. Whenever they're done watching, or whenever they want, you jump over there and it'll take you right to that second. And I think it's right back. Maybe split your screen. Interesting. Pause one. I don't know. I'll put it this way. I know I'm weird, but I would make it TV friendly first. Then you can worry about this kind of friendliness. Because I noticed that the apps on TV, if you excalibrate those, that's when you know you're at the top. It seems like you're doing it the other way around. I mean, the quality, the video code. I would go Hollywood, right?